Super excited to finally play Beaver Brook Golf Course, built in 1966 by golf designer. We'll talk all about that. But first, let's talk about the history, the price, and more importantly, the practice facility that they do have here that's off of number 2. So it can get a little confusing. That's why you want to stick around here with the Parfessor, as we consistently bring you the best golf content money can buy on YouTube. Let's take a look here.
And the golf is gone. Winter's here and the golf is gone. And I don't know when I'll swing again. I just wanna feel the sun. The frost has come, the greens are done. Oh, but I'll dream of those rounds once more, Lordy. Winter's here and the golf is gone. Winter's here and the golf is gone. Snow falls on fairways lost.
This was built in 1966, so let's walk on in this affordable public course.
And it is affordable. It's on Golf Now. If you were just interested, and you've probably seen it searching on Golf Now. Here we are taking a look at this facility. It is the winter time, so the conditions aren't like the summer, but you're going to get what you pay for here, which is still an affordable rate. We'll talk all about those rates that are constantly changing, walk through the first hole here, and more importantly, give you some fun facts about this facility.
We're here on the second hole of Beaver Brook Golf Course. It's challenging, and you can see the practice facility right next to us, so it is a little confusing at that.
The course was built in 1965 by Alec Turdiai, who also built Bunker Hill and a few other courses inside New Jersey, New York, in this area. Overall, this course has some interesting history, but more importantly, we got to take a look at the golf course. I love the actual power lines cutting through it, and we'll be taking a look at the one hole where it's on the tee box, which is interesting. The course stretches a total of 6,355 yards from those back tees. The hardest hole on the golf course would have to be number 8, a long par 4 stretching just over 400 yards. Now overall, the conditions currently of this course, it's the winter time, so you're getting what you pay for. There's some apartments cutting through the course, and it is in a, I want to say a busy area, but it's just a dense area because of all the population growth that is taking place in this area. Now overall, you got some water on at least this hole. I didn't see much water on this course. Originally intended to be a private country club. Currently now a public golf course that features 3 tee boxes that accommodates all levels of golfers. Now the course on paper from the silver tees is 5,000, and from the black and gold tees you're stretching 6,600 yards. Now water comes to play on 6, 7, and the 15th hole, and there's bunkers spread throughout the golf course. The signature 15th hole is probably the most demanding par 4 on the course at over 450 yards. Walk the golf course to get better footage like I typically do, but the one takeaway here is it's the same price to walk or ride the course. Now the condition of the course, well, I think you kind of get what you pay for. It's about $60 or a little bit cheaper than that to play the course. I think it was well worth it. I wouldn't make a destination of this course. If you live close to it, yeah, you got to get over here and play it. And I could be wrong. I like these ones that started off as private courses and now they're public. So anything could change. It could turn the key and become a private facility at any point. So we're just grateful enough to get out there, play with some locals, and try to at least get 1 or 2 pars. And I don't even think I was able to do that. The course was pretty hard. I think if you played it once or twice, you get the lay of the land. But overall, it was cold and just a little challenging to get out there and close the deal here. I mean, I just struggled. I haven't played in a while either, and hopefully we get back out here and try to make it right. And there's no actual hot dog stand here, so if you came here hungry, you're gonna have to leave and come back, and that's unfortunately what happened here. Now you live and you learn, and more importantly, you get out there and you keep playing golf. So hopefully this video teaches you a little bit about this facility, but more importantly, you got to get out there and you got to play it yourself. This is the Parfessor, an independent golf channel focused on fun, affordable golf in your area. If you're not watching, at least go formulate a plan to go play a little bit of golf today. And if you're not doing that, well, I'm not sure what you're doing. And more importantly, go play some golf.